Welcome to the land of Solvita. This is Ashe. We are in Guatavita, Colombia. I have always appreciated the power of a good warm-up. And one of my great mentors, Rosangela Silvestre from Brazil, has always invoked an amazing warm-up. And I think it's from her and my other teachers like Cleo Parker Robinson, Susan Richardson, and Angela Yatkin that just put a lot of intention in warming up and bringing yourself to center and to ground before you start an incredible dance practice. So we're just gonna weave through this warm-up today, and I just want you to think about being super present, staying connected to your breath and to your body, listening to your body. Don't do anything that doesn't feel good, but do things in a way that feels good for you. Your goal is not to be exactly like me, but really we're just trying to evoke the spirit, to bring in the ashe, the energy, the positive energy into our lives. So just follow along and do your best. We're going to start in a wide second, breathing in the sun, and let it pour on you. And yeah, we're going to let that melt into an arch. Roll up and So Vida, sun and life. Good, good, good. Reaching out and reach. And reach. Articulate through your toes and your feet, bringing everything to life. We always want to focus on where we're going, being present with that stretch to the side, and we look. And we bend, elongate, and you're breathing. Da-da-dee, da-da. Take it down and press. It's very jazz-like. And press, and press. Very good. We're gonna do this whole thing double time. Reach up and 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and side and reach, da, 6, 7, down, and you're 1, 3, and 5, 6, 7, good. Shoulder roll. Yeah, to your whole body. 4, 5, 6, 7, reverse. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Double time. 1, 2, 3. Nice and loose. 6. Reverse. 1, 2, and 4, 5, 6. Torso push and push and back and push and back. Push, back, push, side, da, ga, da, yeah, da. Take the square. Front, side, back, side, and front, side, back, and reverse it. And 1, 2, back, ha, di, da, circulos, and push the edges of your life. Push, and good. 3, upper body only, yeah. Keep the hips planted. Reverse. 2, da 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 di, da, ya di da da di, da, ya di da da di, da. Down to our hips. So scoop and scoop and scoop and scoop. Feels good. 1 and 2. We're gonna do front back. Here we go. And push and press back. You can stick your booty out for this one. Boom. And it's all good. And yeah. Da da da. D, and your square. Here we go. And front, and side, and juicy stop. Yakata. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6. Circle it up round the world. Round the world. You can go anywhere that you want to go around. Better believe. And around. And let's double it. And a deck. Yakata. Loosen up. Reverse. And a ya. And a da. And a giga da 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 da. Breathing in. And a ya. And as Angela always says, see the possibilities. Infinite possibilities are awaiting you. Hope you enjoyed the Vida warm-up. See y'all later.